The Indian Army in May 2020 has given the proposal of a very novel idea of a concept of tour of duty. This concept will allow the citizens of the country to join the army and serve in the army for a brief period of only 3 years. In this video session, we will discuss various aspects and facets of this topic as it has become important for all the upcoming examinations. Let us first have a look at the factual aspects. This idea of tour of duty will allow the citizens to join the army for a period of 3 years. Initially, the proposal is to recruit 100 officers and 1000 jawans. If we compare this concept of tour of duty with the present system of recruitment, we can see that at present there are broadly two types of commissions in the Indian Army. They are the Permanent Commission and second is the Short Service Commission. Initially, this Short Service Commission was allowed for a period of 5 years and extendable to 10 years, and in some cases, in some entries, it was allowed to be extended for 14 years also. But if we compare this tour of duty concept with Permanent Commission and Short Service Commission, then the tour of duty is allowing a very short stint of only 3 years. Let us first have a look at the advantages of this concept of tour of duty. The very first argument which is being put forward by the Ministry of Defence and the Indian Army is that it will help the army to curtail or to cut the expenditure of the army. Now, to put this point into perspective, let us first have a look at certain facts. According to data, the Government of India spends around 12% of its annual expenditure only on the Ministry of Defence. That means कि अगर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एक साल में 100 रुपए खर्च करती है तो उसमें से 12 रुपए सिर्फ खर्च होते हैं डिफेंस के ऊपर, एंड दैट इंक्लूड्स ऑल दी थ्री फोर्सेस, आर्मी, नेवी एंड एयरफोर्स. इस 12% में से एक बहुत बड़ा कंपोनेंट एंड दैट इज 57% of the expenditure is only on two things, and that is the salary of the officials and the pensions of the retired defense personnel. And therefore we can say, and out of this 57% also, by the way, pension constitutes majority of the expenditure. Therefore, the argument which is being given is that this tour of duty concept will allow to reduce the expenditure because these officers who will join the army for 3 years will not be eligible for pension, and that will reduce the burden of pension on the government of India. This is the foremost argument being given in favor of the tour of duty. This reduced expenditure या फिर जो गवर्नमेंट का पैसा बचेगा पेंशन्स के ऊपर, सैलरीज के ऊपर, that money can be used for the modernization of the army, and that will eventually improve the efficiency of the Indian Army. The second argument which is being given is that it will address the issue of vacancies at all levels, especially at the level of young officers. Just to put this into perspective, at present, as of today, when we are speaking and having this class, there is a vacancy of 24% of officers in the army. That means अगर 100 ऑफिसर्स आर्मी में होने चाहिए थे तो एट प्रेजेंट केवल 76 ही काम कर रहे हैं, एंड देयर इज अ वैकेंसी ऑफ 24 ऑफिसर्स. दिस इशू ऑफ वैकेंसीज कैन बी एड्रेस्ड बाय द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ टूर ऑफ ड्यूटी. हाउएवर, द काउंटर आर्गुमेंट इज कि जो इनिशियल प्रपोजल दिया गया है वो दिया गया है टू रिक्रूट ओनली 100 ऑफिसर्स. तो ये बात अब सोचने वाली है कि 100 ऑफिसर्स के रिक्रूटमेंट से ये वैकेंसीज कैसे फुलफिल होंगी या कैसे एड्रेस होंगी, ये थोड़ा सोचने लायक बात लगती है. Coming to the third argument in favor, it is that it will keep our army a young fighting force. It is to be noted that the Indian Army is a frontline force which participates in various types of counterinsurgency operations and anti-militancy operations, and then in case of war, it of course participates in the war also. And therefore, the army always looks forward to have a young fighting force. Therefore, this idea of tour of duty, whereby the officers will join the army for a period of 3 years. So every year we will recruit the officers for next 3 years, and after 3 years the officers will have to leave the army. That means it will become a continuous process, a process of churning in and churning out of young officers. तो इस तरह से हमारी आर्मी की जो यंग ऑफिसर्स की एज है, इट विल रिमेन वेरी लो and it will keep the overall age of the force as low, and therefore it will make our army a young fighting force. The fourth argument which is being given is that it can be used to serve during emergency and war. For example, Switzerland. Let me explain this. These officers who will join the army for a term of 3 years will leave the army after 3 years. However, they can be pressed into service once again in times of emergencies or in times of, say, war. Let us understand this by example of Switzerland. अगर स्विट्जरलैंड का कंपैरिजन हम इंडिया से करें तो बहुत ही छोटा देश है हर तरह से, इन पॉपुलेशन वाइज, जोग्राफिकल एरिया वाइज, लेकिन उसका ये कॉन्सेप्ट इज़ क्वाइट पॉपुलर. वहाँ पर क्या होता है कि स्विट्जरलैंड में जितने भी 20 से 42 ईयर्स ओल्ड मेल होते हैं उन सबको कंपल्सरीली स्विस आर्मी को ज्वाइन करना ही होता है. एंड देयर आफ्टर they are given a training of 3 weeks every year. 3 weeks every year. And then they are allowed to participate in their usual civilian life. That is why Switzerland has a regular or standing army of only 3,500 troops. 3,500 troops. But these civilians who are given training by the Swiss army for 3 weeks every year can be called into service in times of war. And that is why Switzerland can mobilize a strong army of 16 lakh soldiers in just a span of 48 hours. अगर कोई जंग होती है या हालात ऐसा ज़रूरत मांगते हैं तो सिर्फ 2 दिन में 48 आवर्स में 16 लाख बड़ी फौज स्विट्जरलैंड खड़ी कर सकता है from just a number of 3,500. Similarly, these officers who will be ready to serve in the war but they will leave the army after 3 years may be pressed back into service. उनको दोबारा हम बुला सकते हैं अगर हमें जरूरत पड़ती है in times of emergency or in times of war. The next argument in its favor is that it will give better opportunities for officers afterwards. That means what? Now at present, in case of, if we take the example of a short service commission, officers work somewhere between 10 to 14 years, after which they leave the army. When they leave the army after such a period, they are in the age bracket of 33 to 35 years. And at this age, they may not find many lucrative, many attractive opportunities to work in the private sector. लेकिन अगर हम TOD की बात करें तो TOD में ऑफिसर्स काम करेंगे सिर्फ 3 साल के लिए. That means, let us say, किसी लड़के ने अगर आर्मी ज्वाइन की एज लेफ्टिनेंट एट द एज ऑफ 23 years in the TOD entry, so by the time he is 26 or 27, he will leave the army. And at this young age, he will have many opportunities to join the private sector. The next argument being given in its favor is that it will give opportunity to our young citizens to serve the country. Yes, in fact, the Indian Army report itself has mentioned that the feeling of patriotism and nationalism is at all-time high in our country. And therefore, this tour of duty concept will allow the young citizens to serve the country and wear the uniform. It will also be in tune, in spirit, with our fundamental duty, with our one of the 11 duties given in Article 51A of the Constitution. This article says, in one of our duties in this article is that we have to serve the country and render or give national service when called upon to do so. इसका मतलब जब बुलाया जाएगा तो देश की सेवा में हमें अपने आप को जो है डिवोट करना होगा, ऐसी हमारी एक ड्यूटी है. सो दिस टूर ऑफ ड्यूटी विल बी इन ट्यून विद दिस फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी ऑल्सो. एंड द लास्ट आर्गुमेंट इन फेवर इज दैट it will provide a professional and disciplined workforce to private sector. It is a well-known fact that the Indian military is known for their high standards of discipline, and therefore these TOD officers will inculcate a spirit of professionalism and discipline in them, and that is why when they will leave the army, they will form as a feeding workforce for the private sector, which can then utilize the professionalism and discipline of these officers. Let us stop this video class for now. We will look at the disadvantages of the concept of tour of duty in next video. Thank you.